Tigo was the biggest tiger in the jungle, but all he ever wanted was to be cute. He was known as the fiercest, the strongest, the scariest animal for miles. But inside, Tigo felt small and lonely. Whenever he walked by, the jungle went quiet. Morning light sparkled through the jungle trees. Monkeys chattered high in the canopy, but hushed when Tigo appeared below. Birds took flight with a frantic flutter of wings. Deer darted away before he could even say hello. Tigo sighed, his big, scary stripes feeling like a cage. He decided today would be different. Today, he would learn to be cute. He watched the rabbits, with their twitching noses and bouncy hops. Tigo tried to copy them, practicing his hop beside a stream. He jumped. He slipped. He landed with a mighty splash that sent frogs diving for cover. Next, he saw a squirrel, flicking its fluffy tail in a charming pose. Tigo puffed his cheeks and tried to make his own tail look fluffy and delightful. He posed. The monkeys screamed. They thought he was preparing to pounce, not trying to be adorable. Then he spotted the pandas munching on bamboo, looking so round and cuddly. That's it, Tigo thought. He tried to roll into a ball. He rolled and rolled, right into a thorny bush. A chorus of giggles echoed from the hidden animals. His cheeks burned with embarrassment, not just from the thorns. He wasn't cute. He was just a clumsy, scary tiger. Dejected, Tigo sat by a giant banyan tree. His head hung low. The jungle was full of life, but he had never felt more alone. Then he heard a tiny chirp, a fragile, panicked sound. He looked up. A baby bird was falling. It tumbled from a high branch, a tiny fluff of feathers spiraling down. There was no roar, no ferocious leap. Without thinking, Tigo leapt forward. He moved with a speed no one had ever seen. But there was no aggression in his charge, only concern. Huge paws, gentle touch. He caught the fragile creature in his massive palm, cupping it softly. He looked at the trembling bird, his fierce yellow eyes filled with a surprising softness. Carefully, he stood on his hind legs, stretching his powerful body toward the sky. He set the baby bird back in its nest. The entire jungle went silent. The monkeys stopped their chattering. The deer peeked out from behind the trees. The birds froze on their branches. They all saw it. Not a monster, but a protector. Not a threat, but a friend. The mother bird flew down, chirping a song of thanks, not fear. Slowly, one by one, the other animals emerged, their eyes no longer wide with terror, but with wonder. Tigo had never felt so seen. He didn't need to hop like a rabbit or pose like a squirrel. His big heart was enough. Maybe cuteness isn't about being small. Maybe it's about being kind.